KINCROME prides ourselves in providing the workforce with the right tools for the right job. To add to our range of truck boxes, we've designed the new 232-piece heavy-duty upright truck box kit, available in both charcoal and white. The boxes additionally feature 4 large drawers and multiple compartments for tool storage that are on adjustable shelving in the main storage area. Made from heavy gauge steel with a hammertone UV powder coat finish, and is scratch resistant with a fully welded construction to last against all conditions. The lids are lifted by dual gas struts, revealing an array of tools any tradesman would be proud to have. With flagship products including lock-on sockets and accessories, Torquemaster screwdrivers, X-Force files, mirror polish spanners, hex key sets and much more. For more details on the complete kit, be sure to check out the KINCROME website or ask your local KINCROME distributor today.